We are at Rosalina's Kitchen in Worcester, Massachusetts at 83 Hamilton Street for a very exciting event. Rosalina's Kitchen is known for its great Italian food and friendly family atmosphere. Today, Oxford's own Geoff Esper, one of the top-ranked competitive eaters in the world, is taking on this enormous Avalanche challenge. Well, it's a double Avalanche challenge, basically.
What's going on? Let's check it out.
Everybody here was very friendly, very nice. Beautiful, clean kitchen. And oh my God, it smelled so good in here.
All right, today at Rosalina's Kitchen we have the 4-pound Avalanche supersize with homemade 3-cheese raviolis. It's chicken palm, eggplant palm, meatball, sausage, mozzarella cheese, bacon, and some tomato sauce over Rosalina's 3-cheese raviolis.
Beautiful.
Hey guys, we're at Rosalina's Kitchen today in Worcester, Massachusetts with Geoff Esper, one of the top eaters in the world. Find him at Nathan's Hot Dog competition pretty much every year. He's taking on this challenge today, and it's a lot of food. We're gonna see how he does. You're gonna keep time? Whatever you say, go. All right. Is that good? Wow.
Sarah made them. This is what you get, a nice beautiful t-shirt that says you conquered the Avalanche. I should say plus at Rosalina's Kitchen. Good job.
Good job. Good job, Geoff. All right.
So happy. So happy about it.